Hey guys, Imogen here. I'm the Student Welfare Officer at University of Galway. Today I'm going to be answering some of the top frequently asked questions about sexual health and STIs. So here's question 1. How do you know if you have an STI? A lot of people don't show any symptoms, or symptoms can be very easy to miss. Even if you don't have any symptoms, you can still pass an STI to a sexual partner. The only way to really know if you have an STI is to get checked. Your partner should also get checked too. You should always be tested if you think you have any symptoms which suggest you have an STI, your partner has an STI, you have a new sexual partner, or you have more than one sexual partner. Question 2. Can you get an STI from oral sex? The answer is yes, you can. STIs can be passed through unprotected oral, anal, or vaginal sex, or even through sharing sex toys. And the last question is, what should you do if you think you have an STI? If you think you have an STI, you should definitely get tested. If you have no symptoms, you can use the free at-home STI testing service. If you do have symptoms, you can use your student health clinic, a public STI clinic, or your GP. STI testing is free in public STI clinics, but other services might charge a fee. You can order a free at-home STI test kit from SexualWellbeing.ie.